Fruits and vegetables are the healthiest foods of all. But what happens to those scraps when we're done? Throwing scraps in the trash can be a huge waste of energy. They're made of so much water, which when added up for a whole city or town can mean thousands and thousands more pounds of waste. Instead, this is a case where we can really use nature to help nature. Here's what we do at my house. We collect all these scraps and then bring them out to the compost. Come with me, we'll go see my compost. It's got two sides. One says start, and that's where we put all of our food scraps from the kitchen. And every day, we just spin it around. This helps to mix the compost, lets oxygen inside to speed up decomposition by bacteria and fungi. And on the other side, it says finish. Now what that means is this one is getting full. Once it's all the way full, then we'll switch to this side. We'll empty this one out. It's been in there for several weeks and it's much more composted down. We can start to use it on plants. Another way to save energy that would go to transporting waste is to keep leaves at your house. You can mix them into your compost or just let them be in a corner and provide habitat for all kinds of soil creatures. We're here at the briarbush compost piles, and we're going to take a look at what's inside in a minute. But you can see these are a lot bigger than what I have at home or what most people have for space at their house. This is how we turn the compost piles at briarbush. Now I want you to get a good look at what's inside here. You zoom in on that. Worms. There's some termites. All kinds of soil creatures in here. Whether you have a compost pile at home or not, you could try some fun experiments to watch decomposition. Here's an experiment I tried. I got 2 banana peels. One of the peels went in a cup that was open. The other cup I covered like this. I left them outside so they wouldn't get all moldy and gross inside. Every couple days I went outside and took a picture. The cup that was open immediately attracted a bunch of fruit flies. By the end, it got pretty dry. If I did the experiment again, I might add some water. If you take a look at the covered cup, it didn't get quite as black as the uncovered cup and didn't quite dry up as much. So there was definitely a difference, but there's all kinds of other ways to do a compost experiment. Something else I want to try is burying a whole bunch of different materials and then digging them up to see which ones broke down faster. Get permission first, but do try this at home. Have fun.